Hello again. I remind you when we have stopped last episode. We have destroyed the current reader log file, and in fact, we have this error message. We wanted to recover until the sequence that is shown here. But of course, uh, why we choose this sequence? Let's see. Let's see here because we have data files checkpointed until this change. However, the data files are fuzzy, so I'm not sure we will be able to recover. We need to have the archive log or online reader log sequence in order to recover. And unfortunately, as we have seen, we don't have it. So we need to proceed. We have, of course, we did the recover, and but it went wrong. In fact, because the sequence that is asked is not in the online reader log nor in the archive log. So we cannot proceed with recovery. We need to find a suitable sequence until which we can recover. So how to proceed? Once again, it is a context of loss of the current reader log, and we simulated the loss of current reader log with the small Java programs. We wrote something some dummy text inside a reader log, which overwrites the reader log, which is here. Let's see. So it becomes it becomes a small file with any useful containing. So okay, we need to go back to Herman. No, that was not this way. Never mind. Maybe one or the other. Okay, and we need to okay, we have a list backup of database. Okay, we have one backup. But we need to do a list backup of archive logs. Oh, we don't have any backup of archive logs and need list archive logs. Fortunately, we do have some archive logs. So let's see what we can do. We will take the last one. But there are several ways to do it. Okay. And we can take the last one, the 37, for example. If we do list, not a better piece, we better go back to SQL Plus. And of course, if we do uh, okay, this is this one. The next change is here. So and the sequence number 13. So we normally should be able to recover until here. And what again we have? But unfortunately we cannot. So we need to find some earlier sequence and okay, we will start. We will try with the sequence just one with one sequence before. That is what we will try. Uh, no, in fact, okay. Why? If there was a mistake, just let me see. Okay, we'll try this. Okay, so we restored. We will restore until the last sequence of the last archive log available. Okay, and so normally this should work. Okay, and okay, that's nice. And now, usually, normally, I will be able to open the database with recent logs. That will recreate the online reader logs. Okay, that's nice. So we have opened the database. Of course, we have lost some transactions. In the next video, we will show more examples with how to proceed if this cannot be avoided, but we will give some more details about where we lost the active reader log or the online reader log. So we will see whether there are cases that we can still recover, but still find the last commands and the last instructions. Thank you for watching.